Good morning. Oh, no. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. So, I am on my way to meet some friends. I'll tell you who they are. Remember in the previous vlog, I went to Inchin and there were two black girls and we all ended up hanging out. So, we're going to hang out again today. We're going to, happy fall too, the weather has changed. But we are going to take a yacht or a boat ride on the Han River. And so I'm on my way over there because it'd take me an hour to get to the location. We're gonna meet there. I don't think I dressed warm enough.
I'm looking for like shirts
Warm.
for under my jacket.
So
Brand new jacket.
I made it, barely made it. Showed up late, so we had to reschedule the yacht tour for.
Who was late?
I was late.
Okay. You guys had me running.
So I was late. So they rescheduled for 5 instead of 4. So Farrah discovered a Goodwill. And guess what? It's self-checkout. A self-checkout Goodwill. They are so trustworthy here. So we're just gonna wait, kill time until 5 o'clock gets here. But y'all, it was so funny. So I ended up late because I got on the wrong subway and was going in the opposite direction. Before you know it, I was like way out in a whole nother suburb. I said, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna make it. But I was on the express subway. So I made it around 3:50 and I caught the taxi down the street. So I made it here at 3:55 and I was supposed to be here 15 minutes early. I highly recommend if you should do it. It's fun. We had a good time. They want to come back again next month in the freezing cold, and I'm like,
Is there a unique one? I don't know.
was it really short? I think it was. We had so much fun. It went by fast.
It was short.
It wasn't long enough. There's another one. There's a buffet one. Taiwan class.
What about AK1?
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say,